Yesterday I was in an interview and I wanted to see what my options are for career progression. And I found out that what they're willing to pay for the knowledge you have is scary. So I'm glad I got into working from home with digital marketing and super affiliate funnels, where I earn the residual incomes and other incomes which are 100% profits from. So if I ever do find a work again, it will be the right one that I choose, and it will purely be for to better myself in my career. But other than that, earning my own money and having that mindset that you don't have to worry about things, living stress free, able to support your kids and working from home, just doing it in 2 hours a day. I've got two systems that I'm currently part of. Both of them has got automail responders where you can build your mailing lists, and there's days and days of training on the one that I do, and the other one has also got training, but it's an easy setup for both of them. The one's got 7 income streams, which is also part of the income stream. The other one is also part of this one's income stream, so it sort of connects there, and it just gives you double exposure. So if you want to find out how you can do this too and start earning your potential and living a stress-free life, earning from home on your own time, the way you want to, where you want to, you just need a phone, maybe sometimes a laptop to get the setup done easier, and an internet connection. So let me know in the comments below, or just hit the link in my bio. Don't forget to subscribe and follow.